From the deepest trenches to the highest peaks, our planet harbors locations so extreme they defy belief. This video will take you through the 10 most challenging places on Earth, explaining what makes them so formidable and the incredible adaptations life has made to survive there. Get ready to explore the boundaries of our world. Number 1. Challenger Deep. Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench, is the deepest known point in Earth's oceans. Its depth of nearly 11,000 meters means crushing pressure, over 1,000 times that at sea level. Most people overlook the sheer scale of this environment. It's not just deep, it's a world where light never penetrates, and temperatures hover just above freezing. The reason this matters is that it forces us to reconsider the resilience of life. Organisms here, like xenophyophores, thrive by adapting to conditions that would instantly kill anything from the surface. Think about the pressure, it's like having 50 jumbo jets stacked on your head. Yet, life persists. This week, observe something in your own environment that seems insignificant but consistently endures harsh conditions, whether it's a weed pushing through concrete or a small appliance that never breaks. Understand its resilience. Number 2. Dry Valleys, Antarctica. The McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica are one of the driest places on Earth, resembling a Martian landscape more than any other terrestrial environment. Despite being on a continent known for ice, these valleys receive virtually no precipitation and are kept clear of snow by powerful katabatic winds. Why do most people dismiss dry as extreme? Because they associate deserts with heat. The dry valleys prove that extreme dryness combined with extreme cold creates a unique and utterly inhospitable environment. The lack of moisture means there's no protective layer of ice or snow, exposing the land to brutal winds and frigid temperatures for much of the year. Imagine standing in a place where the air itself seems to suck all moisture from you, where dust devils form not on sand, but on frozen earth. This week, try a small, dry fast from distractions. For 30 minutes, remove all background noise, put your phone away, and focus solely on one task. Experience the dryness of pure, uninterrupted focus. Number 3. Oymyakon, Russia. Oymyakon in Siberia is considered the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth. Winter temperatures regularly plunge below -50 degrees Celsius, with the lowest recorded temperature reaching an astonishing -71.2 degrees Celsius. Most people focus on the discomfort of cold, but in Oymyakon, it's about survival infrastructure. Water pipes freeze, car engines must be left running constantly, and burying the dead requires lighting bonfires for days to thaw the permafrost. It's not just a cold day, it's a systemic challenge to every aspect of life. Imagine a breath instantly crystallizing into ice in front of your face, or the simple act of stepping outside causing immediate pain. The lessons here are about preparation and systemic resilience. This week, identify one area of your life where a small, consistent preventative action could save you significant future trouble, whether it's backing up important files, regularly checking your car's oil, or preparing meals in advance. Number 4. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia is one of the hottest and lowest places on Earth, a geological marvel characterized by active volcanoes, vast salt flats, and colorful hydrothermal fields. Average annual temperatures exceed 34.4 degrees Celsius, making it extremely challenging for human habitation. Most people underestimate the combined effect of extreme heat, aridity, and volcanic activity. It's not just a hot desert, it's an alien landscape where acid pools bubble, sulfurous gases permeate the air, and temperatures regularly soar above 50 degrees Celsius. The vibrant colors come from mineral deposits, but they signify an environment utterly hostile to most life forms. Imagine breathing air that feels like a furnace, your skin instantly drying, and the ground beneath you steaming with corrosive chemicals. This week, choose a task you've been avoiding because it feels too hot or too difficult. Break it down into smaller, manageable steps, and tackle just one step each day, just as life in the Danakil adapts to incremental survival. Number 5. Mount Everest, Nepal/China. Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, stands at 8,848 meters above sea level, presenting extreme cold, deadly winds, and critically low oxygen levels. Most people focus on the conquering aspect, but the real extreme is the death zone above 8,000 meters, where the human body begins to shut down. The air pressure is so low that there's only 1/3 the oxygen available at sea level, making every breath a struggle. The body can't acclimatize indefinitely, it's a race against time and deterioration. Imagine exerting yourself in an environment where your brain is starved of oxygen, your muscles are weak, and every decision is impaired by hypoxia. This week, pick a complex problem you're facing. Instead of trying to solve it all at once, focus on identifying the single most critical limiting factor, the oxygen, of your problem, and address that first. Number 6. Atacama Desert, Chile. The Atacama Desert in Chile is one of the driest places on Earth, with some areas receiving no recorded rainfall for hundreds of years. This hyperaridity creates an environment so extreme that NASA uses it to test Mars rovers. Most people consider dry as an absence of water, but the Atacama is an absence of life in a way few places on Earth are. The lack of moisture means there's almost no organic matter in the soil, and the high UV radiation further sterilizes the environment. The very air itself feels parched. Imagine a landscape so utterly devoid of moisture that even microscopic life struggles to exist, a place where the ground has never felt a drop of rain. This week, try to remove one luxury or convenience from your daily routine for a day. Experience the slight discomfort and observe how you adapt and what resources you discover you already possess. Number 7. Dallol, Ethiopia. Dallol, also in the Danakil Depression, holds the record for the highest average annual temperature of any inhabited place on Earth, with an average of 34.4 degrees Celsius. But it's not just the heat, it's the bizarre, colorful hydrothermal fields that make it extreme. Most people think of hot as a constant, but Dallol's heat is paired with incredibly corrosive, acidic springs and toxic gas emissions. The vibrant, otherworldly formations are a testament to the extreme chemical reactions occurring, creating a landscape of bubbling pools, sulfurous mounds, and salt pillars. Imagine stepping into a landscape where the ground is literally melting and shifting, where the air stings your nostrils, and every surface is covered in strange, mineral formations. This week, identify a toxic element in your routine, an unproductive habit, a negative thought pattern. Acknowledge its presence, understand its chemistry, and commit to making one small change to neutralize its effect. Number 8. Lake Vostok, Antarctica. Lake Vostok is a vast subglacial lake located beneath 3,700 meters of Antarctic ice, isolated from the atmosphere for millions of years. Its extreme nature lies in its isolation, immense pressure from the ice sheet above, and extreme cold, yet it contains liquid water. Most people only consider surface extremes. Lake Vostok demonstrates an extreme hidden beneath, an entire ecosystem potentially existing in total darkness, under immense pressure, and with unique chemical compositions due to its isolation. The challenge was not just finding it, but understanding how life could adapt to such an environment, drawing energy from chemosynthesis in the absence of sunlight. Imagine a world completely cut off from the sun, where the only source of energy comes from within the earth, and unique organisms thrive in conditions alien to surface life. This week, carve out a block of isolated time, 15 to 30 minutes, where you remove all external inputs, no phone, no internet, no conversation. Use this time for deep reflection or creative thinking. Number 9. Fraser Island, Australia. Fraser Island, off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is the world's largest sand island, spanning 123 kilometers in length. Its extremity isn't just about size but about an entire ecosystem thriving on sand, presenting unique challenges for flora and fauna. Most people see sand as barren, but Fraser Island challenges this. It's not just a beach, it's a complex system of ancient rainforests, freshwater lakes, and diverse wildlife, all supported by nutrient-poor sand. The sheer scale and the ability of complex ecosystems to flourish on such an unstable, nutrient-deficient substrate are what make it extreme. Imagine ancient trees growing directly out of sand dunes, or freshwater lakes forming in depressions within the sand, creating an entire world where conventional soil is absent. This week, take one common, everyday resource you rely on and try to find an alternative, less conventional way to achieve the same outcome. Challenge your assumptions about what's necessary. Number 10. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, plunging 979 meters from the Oymyakon mountain. Its extremity lies not just in its height but in its remote, dense jungle location and the sheer power of the water. Most people visualize a simple cascade, but Angel Falls is an immense force of nature in an almost inaccessible environment. The water often atomizes into a mist before reaching the ground, creating a microclimate and making the surrounding jungle incredibly lush and vibrant. The journey to even witness it is an extreme endeavor, involving arduous treks through primary rainforest. Imagine standing before a wall of water so tall that the bottom is often shrouded in mist, the roar deafening, and the surrounding environment teeming with life untouched by human development. This week, identify one area where you are holding back a force or talent you possess. Consider how you might uninterrupt that flow, allowing its full impact to be realized. These extreme places on Earth aren't just fascinating, they're powerful reminders of life's incredible adaptability and the planet's raw, untamed power. Understanding these limits helps us appreciate our own resilience. If you found this exploration compelling, hit that subscribe button for more insights into the world around us.